Excuse me. What's going on here? What's going on here?
Daddy, somebody knocked my cereal.
Your cereal?
Yeah.
Your mama rice over? Who did it? And what are they doing with your bowl?
They're playing with my bowl. They're making my bowl. And playing with my bowl.
And Daddy was busy outside? And Mommy, what happened to Mommy? Huh, what happened? Mommy Coco? Mommy, no medicine? Not good. Not good. And they didn't want to eat earlier. But now, not good.
Hey, what's this red for?
Not good. You hear me? You hear me? Not good. Esto.